Okay guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content, and I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in your alarm.com thermostat. Actually, whenever I use this right now and I go to turn on the heat, if I go to turn it on, yeah, we'll turn on to 73. It was saying low battery. So let's go ahead and, it's not really saying it now, probably because we haven't used it all day, but we want to go ahead and replace these batteries. Pull this face off. Oh, be a little gentle, be a little more gentle than that. But yeah, that's all you have to do is just pull the face off and then just replace the batteries. I have some batteries right here. Let's go and replace that one. And you see once I pulled it off, it stopped working. So replace that one, replace this one, and replace this one. Okay, so you just want to go make sure that these pins go back in here. So you want to be very careful when putting it back, but it should just snap right into place. See, there you go, and it turned right back on. So that's how you change your batteries in an alarm.com thermostat. If you want more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks, guys. Remember to be safe and be basic.